Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today we are starting a shortbox challenge, a call out on YouTube to all those other little channels out there like me that are building stuff. If you got a shortbox laying around, I say let's drag them out of the woods and get started on them. I don't care if it takes all summer. Now, Richard's Automotive Workshop, I'll just pop a picture of his channel up right now. He just did a video on whether or not he should build his shortbox or his Willys. And obviously he should build both. But I was going to pull this out of the weeds in the last month anyway, and I'm a little behind schedule, but I'm at that point. I've been calling this my mud bogger. I got a cool little trailer for it. And what I need is I need a bush buggy. I always build some crazy high-end vehicle to represent my company. I'll show you my first short box that represented my company. I'll pop a picture up. And then we got my Jimmy as the next one. So you can see I always spend way too much money on a truck or SUV that represents my company, and it's got to be a Squarebody. So now what I need is I need something I can take in the bush and not worry whether I'm going to wreck it or scratch it. And this is the perfect candidate. It is rotten as can be. I've never had it running. I was told it runs, but it runs rough. So, Richard, I say we build them together. You pull yours out since you got it running and driving all over your yard already. I'm going to drag this thing out and I'll actually order brand new tires for it today. Because I need a bush buggy, need something to have fun with, and I love Stepsides. I have another Stepside coming that's going to be the 81 to 87 style, so with the lighter front end and the different grille and everything. That will become my next company vehicle, the really high-end one that represents it. It has to always level up because the Jimmy currently is my top dog in the fleet. But we're going to do it. We're going to drag this out of the weeds. I'm ordering tires today. I have a 4-inch suspension lift for it. I have dual shocks for it. So now we're going to go to the shop right now while I Google tires and decide which tires am I putting on this. I'm not going crazy. I want this thing to actually be able to get some mileage. We're going to keep it small block. I'm not going big block and ridiculous. I want to be able to get some distance in the mountains and reliability. So that is the plan for this. I actually even have rear ends with 410s in it. Not sure if I'm going to go that route or not. Have no idea. But we are going to drag this thing out really quickly, make it run and see what we got to go do to it, see what it needs. But shortbox challenge is starting whether anybody's doing it with me or not. We're doing it. So we are at the shop and I have already ordered my new tires. I went with my favorite set of tires and they're on sale right now. Really good price on them. Dick CPEC Extreme Countries 35 by 1250 by 15s. I'm not going crazy on that one. I'm keeping it reasonable. Hoping that I can avoid my sickness of sticking 40-inch tires or larger on it. That's it. I'm sticking with 35s on it. And Chris, since you have a short box sitting in my yard, I'm calling you out too. Let's get busy on it. I don't care if you don't have the big bankroll to throw at it. I got lots of parts we can throw at it and get busy at it. So come on, Chris, you're joining the team. I want to see your short box getting built. And that also means my other short box, which I need to get started on by tomorrow. My plan of spending 1 hour a day on this one starts tomorrow. Once we get that out of the way, we have a pro hockey player's Jeep in here right now. So I'm building 2 short boxes, a 69 C10 and a 77 Stepside 4x4. At the same time, overwhelming myself as usual. Thank God I have Mr. White in my corner all the time. So don't forget, hashtag ATP Customs Shortbox Challenge. You're all welcome. Would love for anybody to take part in this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.